Hi everyone, my name is Sofiana Baban. I'm from Mechatronic Engineering. Now, I will presentation about the Seymour Duncan pickup wiring diagram. First of all, I will explain about what parts are in the following picture. Now, we see the first picture. In the first picture, there are two humbucker, two volumes control, two tones control, and switch three-way blade. The second picture, there are two humbuckers, one volume control, one tone control, and switch three-way blade. And then I will explain about the function of the parts. First, we start from the humbuckers. What is humbucker? Basically, a humbucker pickup is two single coil pickups put together. The sound and tone characteristic produced by humbucker pickups tend to be warmer when compared to single coil pickups. Second, volume control. What is volume control? Volume control has a function that is to increase or decrease the sound of the guitar. The third, tone control. What is tone control? Tone control has a function that is to change the sound to low or bass. And the last, switch three-way blade. What is switch three-way blade? Switch three-way blade has a function to select the pickup used. The variation is to choose one or a combination of several pickups. Okay? In the last, I will explain about the wiring of the first picture. Okay? We see here is the neck pickup and this is the bridge pickup. The neck pickup wire goes straight to the neck volume and to the neck tone, and then bridge pickup wire goes straight to the bridge volume and to the bridge tone. After that, neck volume and bridge volume is connected to the switch, and then from the switch directly to the jack. Okay, and the second picture here, the neck pickup wire goes straight to the switch and to the volume, and here bridge pickup goes straight to the switch and to the tone, and then the tone knobs is connected to the volume pots and to the switch. Okay, and the signal goes from the volume pots to the jack. Okay, I think that's I can presentation for you. Thank you for attention. See you next time. Bye bye.